And we begin with that new target date and the big effort to get Coloradans vaccinated against COVID-19. Right now, just 2% of Coloradans have gotten the shots.
Now the state is aiming for older adults. Governor Polis hopes to get 70% of Coloradans 70 years and up vaccinated by the end of February. The governor hopes that we can do even better than that.
I do believe there's upside that we're not including in our base model to get there faster if we get AstraZeneca, Johnson & Johnson, split Moderna, more doses up front. A lot of potential upside to get there sooner.
We have extensive reporting on the vaccine front for you tonight. Jeff Todd shows us the challenges to getting healthcare workers all those shots. First, though, Alan Janae is at Jeffco Stadium tonight. And Alan, 78% of all deaths happen in those ages 70 and up, so vaccines are critical for that age group.
Absolutely. Stride Community Health, of course, runs a lot of the testing sites around the metro area. They had hoped to kick off a big vaccination program for people over 70, but they just couldn't get enough doses. So today, this became a bit of a test. 105 doses for people who had managed to sign up to become the first in that large group of over 500,000 over the age of 70 to get the vaccine.
You're the first one here today.
I was.
And
I was indeed.
Proudly wearing his Band-Aid, Tom Lukic was thrilled. Like others here, he had figured out the online sign-up he learned about.
And an hour later, they called and said, "Are you ready to get your vaccine tomorrow?" And I went, "Yes."
They came in their car.
Are you having any symptoms?
Workers asked about potential reactions. After shots, people waited 15 minutes.
We've been both isolated for quite a long time.
People just want to get back to normal life.
Allison Dreyer coordinated it. COVID vaccines mean precise planning of doses and timing.
All right, thank you.
They're learning older Coloradans may be tougher to reach.
We don't know what their literacy is with electronics, and I think we're really geared, obviously because of COVID, to moving towards electronics, and that might not be what they are used to using.
Stride got only a few hundred doses this week. She has no idea yet how many next week.
how many would you take?
Oh, we'd take as many as people would give us. We have enough staff. We have people who know how to work these clinics. We really want to vaccinate the community. We just need the vaccines.
Getting shots, people thought about a brighter future.
What is the first thing you want to do?
I want to go have dinner with my family.
I want to see my grandchildren and my children and be able to hug them legally, not an illegal hug.
My grandkids play football, you know, got one in college. I want to go to the games.
Hug them, kiss them, give them a big hug. I miss them all.
Now, no one vaccinated today had any kind of negative reaction while here. Stride Community Health had hoped to plan out a mass vaccination event next weekend, next Saturday in Aurora. But again, it doesn't look like they're going to get enough vaccines to be able to do that. The best idea is to go to the Stride Community Health page. You can register there to get in line for an eventual vaccine when there are supplies. In Lakewood, I'm Alan Janae, covering Colorado First.